Hello. So we are going for another website audit today, and the website name is QST Clinic. Apparently, they are delivering the hair transplant in India. From the first point, the website look quite clean. I mean, the first slider as some celebrity they have put at the top, a good CTA directly mentioning what they are doing, great color code, I guess our promises, values, then the process and services comparison, then their clinic, apparently our services, complete journey. So overall, this website looks from a user point of view quite good, and I mean, the content they have put in the way, it's very good. I mean, readability wise, I feel the score must be high. I mean, they must be having very great um, session time here because there are a lot to read here, and that's what I guess people who are thinking about it will be looking for these kind of answers. Maybe one or two FAQs if they wanted to add. Yeah, they have already added here about brand name, about services, and about services. So yeah, proper CTA, FAQs, some reviews, CTA, slider before after, services, clinic. So yeah, from just looking around the website, I mean, the website looks quite good, quite clean, and I don't see any major changes in the UX UI point of view. Yeah, the live chat, I mean, either they have automated it, then maybe it's okay, but why not using WhatsApp and directly asking people to connect there? Or maybe they are just trying to generate lead from here as well. That can be the case. But all the website looks quite good. Now let's go for the detail about the meta tags and everything. So best hair transplant clinic in India, promoting India at India level, great. Brand name also there, quite good. I mean, we are using only 49 characters. There's a limit of around 65, 70 we can go. So maybe they can include one or two more keyword, but yeah, still that's fine. It's their call. Advanced QHT techniques, 15,000 plus results. Hair transplant clinic, India. So yeah, overall the character limit is still pending here, so maybe they can do it. Canonical tag mentioned, robot there. So yeah, the overall it's title tags and meta description little bit more improvement, but yeah, not a make or break kind of a situation here. Heading tag, okay. H1 tag talking about hair transplant clinic in India, just like the meta title, great. H2 maybe too generic, but I mean that's also fair that we can't include keyword everywhere. So H2 is quite okay. H3 we have used some keywords here and there, so that's good. H4 again generic CTA. H5. So heading tags maybe little bit improvement here and there, but not a make or break kind of situation. So it's fine. Alt tags, yeah, many alt tags are missing, so that can be one of issues here which we can see that alt tag can be improved. Schema tag, I'm sure they must be using multiple schema. Web page, breadcrumbs. Okay, only two. Okay, that can be one thing here. Word count is quite okay. Pixel they are using, I'm sure they must be running lot of meta ads, so that's why the pixel. I'm not able to find the GTM ID here, so okay. Let's see about the page speed. Okay, till we are okay. Core vital is failing on mobile. and desktop, but not by a big margin, so it's okay. I mean, I still don't consider core vital. The website is quite accessible, a major concern. What do you guys think about it? I mean, I know it's important and everything, but suppose if my website is opening properly, giving me good performance, then in that case, even if core web portal is not working fine, then it's fine. ASA point of view, yeah, good. Best practice, good. Performance wise, they need improvement. Yeah. So the largest okay, the slide is getting delayed load, I guess. I mean, that's a basic fix. Maybe the developer can do it easily. Here it's taking time, but yeah, there's not much thing to worry from core web vital. So overall, from US UI point of view, the website looks quite clean. Content wise, the website looks quite good. CT wise, perfect. Delivering a flow of content, perfect. So from UX UI point of view, I really don't think that recent in last few days I have seen better website than this. So yeah, from that point of view, I don't think anything is lacking. Plus, they have used GeoWiz anchor text as well. Many people don't support it. That maybe it's a very old techniques and all, but I still feel that no matter how old this technique is about the creating city-wise page or geo pages, but still works. I mean, if it's giving you the traffic, if it's working fine for you, why not implement it? I just wanted to check if they are used the same kind of a key content or cost of hair transplant. Okay, the cost is a bigger factor, I guess. Cost and price, which is a fair from Indian mentality as well. Okay, so headings they have used the similar ones. I guess they have used the proper similar kind of format, just change the location, grades, number, quality. Grades, okay, number, quality, quality. So yes, they have used similar kind of a thing. Maybe change content here and there a little bit to make it a little unique. Haridwar trusted. Now in those trusted, yeah, they have just used variation of PNC. But overall, I'm really appreciating. I mean the okay. Again, the title I used QST Clinic. I mean, if you are promoting India page, then why not QST Clinic India instead of sorry, Indore instead of India? Cause that's a geo page. Curious about. We are not providing information. We are providing CTAs. So maybe a little bit better. Heading tags. Yeah, I really like the heading for this part. I don't think guide is a good term here. People don't need to know about the guide, but maybe it's driven from the AI support because AI give lots of guide kind of suggestions. H2 tag, want to know, okay, okay, maybe, but still we are still, I mean, we need to find a perfect part between the informative content and the sales content. So we can't always go too much informative, but we can't always sell. And it started with maybe just informative, but or at the later on they have quite done the sales headers as well. H2 H3 headings quite well. Wait before you scroll. Okay. Why it's happening this many times? Okay. They have used a mark Q for this one. Then why need to mention in the headings? I mean, you can have the normal text instead of. The content is quite okay. I'm sure the content length is quite good here. Yeah, 3000 words overall. So content looks okay. I'm just worried that maybe it can cause a little bit duplicacy. Maybe a site liner check for duplicating content can be done here. Cause, but also we are keeping a relevancy and similarity across the landing page, so it's okay. Now let's go to the backgrounds, age simulation, everything. Overall around 10 11,000 traffic they are receiving on monthly level. 11,000, yes, which is a drop by 10 percentage. That's okay. Maximum traffic they are receiving from India level only. Around 9,000 traffic they are getting from India. US and UK also they are promoting, but I understand they must be writing good blogs, and which is generating more traffic there from there, because the blog can be generic. Yeah, history of hair transplant, the case studies and everything. How they are promoting the case study? Nice, nice, nicely done, nicely done. Mentioning the treatment, giving proper interlinkings, but why giving interlinking to hosting your site? Light yellow, JNU, GNU, not JNU. You can't give a internal link to the staging URL. I mean, what are you? Two? And it can be easily find out in any kind of screaming frog audit or somewhere similar. Just do an audit, yeah. I mean, it's very basic mistake that you are giving an interlinking to the staging site. What's the use of giving interlink to staging site? Who are going to go there? Let's see if they have repeated the same mistake on somewhere else as well. Don't you think it should be opposite? I mean, instead of a medium giving a link to the website, we are giving a website link to the medium. I don't think medium needs more links there. And they have written, I mean, and it's not even like there it's a big, some big kind of web page with lots of followers and all. One following, that's a new account, and we are giving from our website to backlink to them. Let's see if it's a do follow or no follow backlink. QSTClinic Haridwar, QSTClinic Haridwar. Oh god. We are giving a do follow backlink to the QSTClinic Haridwar. Why? Because we have very high DA and we want to give it away. First we are giving link to the staging site. Now we are giving link to the third party social site where, and they to do follow. It should be reverse. Not sure what kind of strategy they are using here, but also if we are writing long formatted content, why not use table of content at the top? Why? Also, I mean, somewhere this is also done by doctors and professionals, right? Which are expert in their segment. Why not we are creating the author profile for them, connecting their socials to use the benefit of EAT, at least at the time when the chat GPT and everyone is trusting the EAT more. I mean, I remember many medical sites are, at every blog they are mentioning reviewed by medically professional or doctor XYZ name. So when people are doing that much, like they are written by authors which are working professional, getting reviewed by professional who are more expert in that same, two layers. And when we have the bigger clinic and all, and we are just writing QHD at direct clinic, which makes no sense. So content strategy maybe can be improved. I mean, at least content flow needs to be improved. Okay, in November they have posted on 5th, 13th, 17th, 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 19, 19, 19. So it's like more of a that kind of a part where, yeah, the content is written. Can we post it? Yeah, post all at once. I mean, it's a WordPress website. You can schedule, you can change the date. You don't need to post everything on the same date. Now let's see if they are using any schema tags or technical implementation is done on that. Title tag is fine. Finally, why not? And yeah, location can be included, but yeah, that's not a make or break. Headers, I'm okay. The headers they are okay there. Some generic, some related to the keywords, so it's good. Links, I don't want to go there. Let's see if they are still giving the links to the. Hmm, all text, yes, missing schematic. That's what I was. Web page, okay. And website, why not FAQ? Why not review? Why not news? Why not article? That's more relevant for this case, right? Anyways, our services is there, but table of content may be needed, and rest looks okay only. But I'm internal linking. I mean, they are just, I guess, throwing the like. Let's see if it hits somewhere. So yeah, traffic we already checked. Now let's see which pages are getting more traffic. Home page, I was sure about it. The home page is getting almost 50% of the traffic. Then the hair transplant cost. I feel like this category, the cost and price and these kind of a keyword can be a make or break kind of a keyword. So maybe we can improve those pages more. In top 10, I don't see any location page, which is weird because if we have promoted them well, I'm sure they might be getting some traction. This is the second highest traffic generating page. No EAT. Link to reserve pay again, do follow. I don't think they understand the concept of no follow. And no internal links given whatsoever. We are too cool for internal links, I guess. Why not FAQ? I mean, considering the kind of a website it is, the FAQ should be always everywhere on all of the blogs. But sure, the okay. Almost 1000 plus keywords are ranking, which is many keyword related to QST. If I remove the QST part, or should I just don't? The second, third, fourth highest traffic is hair transplantation clinic, which is quite generic, ranking on the home page. Yes, home page, and then the cost, which is also ranking on the blog page, which we just saw. Informational, okay. Commercial related to many near me also getting ranked. I guess there is a scope improvement because we are getting almost 300 users, but volume is 9.9k. We can at least go to 1000 or so. We can improve. Finally, hair transplant in Delhi is ranking for hair transplant cost in India. In Turkey, we are ranking. and generating traffic as well. They are promoting medical tourism as well, which is a great segment. If they just write more blog about it, about medical tourism part, it's a win-win. I mean, just find out. Okay, here's the thing. I had done it for the past, so I can explain here. We are promoting hair transplant. Great. We are promoting maybe hair transplant, beard, and everything. Just pick a services. Find out all the country location where it's very costly, just like they have done it for Turkey. Explain, break down to the cost that how getting a hair transplant in India is better than in your location, and boom, table of content, comparison content, states how many percentage are doing here and there, how many people are getting medically traveled and everything, and what kind of support you are providing. Do all this kind of a thing, and boom, it will be a it will feature in AI mode for sure, chat GPT for sure. Great segment for branding as well. I mean, you can do some PR exercise and all for this one. I mean, why not we are converting this two paragraph into a proper table? So we have FUE hair transplant and hair transplant and hair transplant cost. Good page, good page. I guess this is the second highest page, right? Yeah. The flow, content flow, I have zero doubts about it. Again, guide, I mean, you don't want to be in the informative content zone. I mean, if I check, I'm sure 50% plus traffic will be in the informational content. Exactly, similar kind of a content, similar kind of a table. If you can just create for comparison, why not do it? Great infographic, but why we are not using any logo on our infographic? Because I'm sure they might be getting more image traffic from there. If these images belong to us, then why not using the logo? Reference link WebMD and giving a do follow link to the WebMD as well. I just don't understand. See, that's what I was talking about. Medical content written by proper author name and everything. I'm sure their profile can be found here and there. Reviewed by an MD, and they have a profile as well. That's how you write the medically reviewed kind of a content. Great work, great work. I mean, I'm always like the WebMD kind of a web page. Now the last part, let's check about the backlink as well. Some 117 referring domain, 670 backlinks, 50% or 40% in the no follow. That's weird. They got more do follow backlinks. Okay. Maximum anchor text is the website name, almost 50 percentage. Maybe they have some done PR activities. Yes, they have done some PR activities. Your story, One India, the Hans India, mostly PR activity, PR articles. Spam score 18, 16. It's okay. I mean, less than 20 is fine. From time to time, they need to just do some backlink audit to remove the. I guess they are already doing it. They already removed some. So, yeah, that's fine. Only do follow if I check. Quite okay. Backlinks, I don't think they have done much efforts. Brand name, transplant cost, transplant cost. brand name, cost. Let's okay without black link, cost, brand, website, brand name, cost. So in 2 or 3 segment only the maximum. I mean, understand that the cost is one of the biggest keyword, but still you can't always use that one only. Okay, some drawbacks. Heading structure maybe can be improved. Internal linking you need to improve. You can't giving the do follow backlink to each and every one. You can't put interlinking as an internal site. I mean, just do a screaming frog audit and you will find out the overall internal link issues. Better anchors, maybe yes. You don't need always a do follow backlink. I mean, it should look natural. Fourth and most important, I mean, why not using EAT? Why not having proper author profile? Why not having proper mentions? Why not having medically reviewed mention at the top of an article? Why not having the table of content? The website looks quite good from UX UI point of view. Why not implement more things to make it more efficient? Other than that, technical fixes here and there. Landing pages looks quite good. Yeah, one more thing I have found. I mean, the while checking the traffic pages, it's also a blog page, correct? Did you see second and fourth? Both are the same page, one under the blog subfolder and one under directly listed to the root folder. Not sure why these two. I'm sure they must be having canonical tag. Yes, they are giving canonical tag to the blog subfolder, which is having the less traffic than the actual. Maybe a uniformity here and there it's needed, but overall it's okay. Website looks good. Some basic fixes needed here and there. Not some, I mean, big fixes needed. Okay, that's all for this part. Maybe we can have a second if needed. And if you want to also get your website audited, just drop a text. Thank you.